This cannabis mask is an N95 respirator mask that's reusable. It is FDA registered. Like all N95s, it's a face mask for air, dust, exhaust gas, various odors, and aerosols. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. I was in a search and seek mission to find an N95 mask, and I found cannabis, and I asked them to sponsor this video, and they did. FDA registered means the manufacturer and the mask pass the certification process. FDA will either personally inspect the facility, and they may choose to personally test every item, or accept and approve third-party testing facilities' data for it. Cannabis had a third-party testing facility that the FDA works with. They took samples of masks to test to make sure they were following all the regulations. The manufacturer of cannabis masks are both tested by TÜV, which is a German certification, and also CE, which is a European certification. Also, cannabis masks have been tested by independent testing facilities beyond that. The masks are true N95 particle filters, as it says on the label. It will stop at least 95% of airborne particles. This classification of N95 is non-medical and non-resistant to oil particles, which means it is not proper to be used for welding fumes, or is it for first-hand treatment against coronavirus patients. There are other specific requirements for an N95 mask to meet for medical treatment firsthand of coronavirus patients, like having the straps in the back of the mask. Cannabis knew that the most comfortable way to wear a mask is to have the loops over the ears. That comfort feature for normal people is not what you do in a hospital. Therefore, it will not pass the CDC requirements. Cannabis knew that most people are not working in a medical facility, that they want to wear them comfortably going about their daily lives. That's why they created this style of an N95 filtration system on a mask. Cannabis has put the best features of an N95 particulate respirator mask into their N95 respirator mask. I have a very strong opinion that everybody should be wearing masks. Oh my God, not one person with a mask on. Everybody is here. And nobody, yeah, oh my God, that's what I'm saying. Oh my God. Cannabis is located in Long Beach, California, and also has warehouses in Santa Ana, California. For me, that's just a couple hours down the freeway. So I know they exist. I got pictures of their warehouse. What did the workers look like? What did the hygiene look like? Was it a real facility? The layers inside this N95 mask are what's so important. They have a non-woven outer layer, which filters large particles. Next is an N95 standard filter material. It isolates bacteria. Then there is an electrostatic melt-blown layer. It isolates PM 2.5 dust particles, and another electrostatic meltdown layer with enhanced filtration of bacteria and fine dust. It provides a 360-degree mouth and nose seal. See it on me? It fits so well. And it's not uncomfortable either. It's soft on my face. It provides easy exhalation. See me breathing in and breathing out. So it provides a long-lasting comfort while I wear it. The shape of these is great for most all faces because it provides a maximum protection by perfectly wrapping the mount around the mouth and the nose. The nose clip in it is a soft metal nose clip so it doesn't hurt your nose if you wear it for many hours. The ear straps are elastic and they're durable, and they're high-quality elastic bands that are knitted by high-density yarn so it provides comfortable and a strong fit around your ears. Doesn't hurt. Every package contains two. The price is $18.99 today. So you get two for under $20. Click the link below to get your cannabis N95 respirator masks. I searched and seeked to find an N95 mask that was deliverable so I can depend on getting my shipment. I now am able to have an N95 mask and I'm going to wear it proudly. I was feeling ashamed of wearing an N95 mask because I didn't want to take this away from the hospital worker.
Someone has asked, does the county have enough PPE currently?
Yes, we do.
And I'm sure everybody I'm around is going to appreciate that I have an N95 on, even better than the face masks that are cloth or the bandanas. I can't control somebody else. All I control is myself. We as people just need to do what we can, but I'm able to upgrade now. Thank gosh. Tell me your opinion about wearing masks, where you like to wear them, what do you think about wearing an N95 versus a cloth mask? Yeah, I like it. I'm ready to go shopping now. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and let's keep making great videos for life.